Hello friends, how are you? My name is Goshan and you are watching my YouTube channel Fixed Tech. Today in this video I will show you how to share files from any Android to other Android device. So let's start today's video. I will do not do commentary in this video. I will just act that I'm a mobile so you can understand. So it is our receiver mobile. This mobile will receive the files but where is our receiver mobile? Oh sorry, sender mobile. This is our sender mobile. Sorry, I'm late. No worries. Let's install apps. I'm fast. I'm slow. I'm waiting for you. OMG. Wait. Okay. Almost done. Be ready. I was born ready, kid. Haha. Let's start. Here we have two mobiles. One is sender mobile and one is receiver mobile. The sender mobiles have some files which he wants to send to any other mobile. Here we have a receiver mobile which will receive the files which will send the sender mobile. The sender mobile storage is full, so he wants to keep his storage empty as how much he can. He has some files that he want to send to the other mobile. He want to keep his storage empty. So the receiver mobile helped him. He said that I will help you in making your storage empty. The sender mobile said him thanks and asked him a question that how we will share the files from one device to other. So they came to a person whose name was Fixed Tech. He suggested them to install an application. Its name was ShareMe, but it was only for MI users, and other Android devices can use other apps like ShareIt or ShareKaro. So the sender mobile was happy that his storage will be empty and he will be healthy. The receiver mobile was also happy that they have a chance to share their files from one device to other. So they didn't know what was the process to share the files. So they came back to the person who can help them, the Fixed Tech. You can also subscribe this channel for more informative videos in 2 languages. So the Fixed Tech make them understand the process that how to share the files from one Android device to the other. They understood properly and then they came back. First of all, they have to just click on share application and then they have to select send or receive. The sender mobile select this send and the receiver mobile select the receive. After that, the sender mobile choose the file which he have to send. The receiver mobile also allowed the permissions to receive the files. The sender mobiles was also receives the applications permissions pop-up box. So he has to also agree all the permissions like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and the location. So After that, he accessed all the permissions. The file started exporting to the other Android device. The receiver mobile sleep in the process because he is very lazy. But the sender mobile was awake and sending the files because he was happy that his storage will be empty. In future, he will also use same process to share other files. Let's see how sender mobile can send the files. After the files were sent, the sender mobile was very happy. He tried to wake receiver mobile. The receiver mobile was still slept, but he slapped the receiver mobile, so the receiver mobile waked up. OMG, what happened? Why you slapped me? He said. And then he noticed that all files he has received. After that, he went in his file manager and checked all the files are secure, safe, and in the same manner as they were sent from the sender mobile. He said, "It's done. I have selected all the files that you have sent me." All the mobiles was happy and they came back to the person who became this happened. They said to him, "Thanks. We are now able to understand all the process and in the future we can share our files to the other mobile." And they came back to their home. So, this was the story and now the video is going to end. If you have enjoyed and the video was helpful or informative or help you in any reason, so please like the video. You can subscribe our channel for multiple languages videos like Hindi and English. And you can set the bell icon at all to get the notification of all our latest videos. We upload our videos at 12 p.m. daily. So this video ends here. The receiver mobile said bye and the sender mobile said bye. They bye, but their name was still there. Means, are they hidden? See, it's simple. Yeah. What? Are you still here? Bye guys. Today in this video, only this.